So today I'm gonna be doing 4A from lesson 5.1. Okay, so the question says k minus 3 and k minus 5. So the question asks to use the distributive property to find each binomial product. Basically, it's saying to FOIL it. Okay, so the first step would be to multiply this, that, and that, and that. And next you would multiply this by this, and that. That's basically it in short form. So I'll write that k plus five plus minus 3 move that over, continue, minus 5. So when I multiply the k, two k's will become k squared plus, sorry, it would become a negative since the negative 5. Negative 5 k minus 3k plus 50, because the two negatives will cancel each other for the time being. So that's the answer, and then we simplify that. It will be k squared minus 8k plus 15. So this would be your final answer. So now I'm going to be doing 5A in 5.1. 5A. The question is the same question. It says use the distributive property to find each binomial product. And the question is x plus 3 and x minus 5. So again, you would do that and that. And this and this. So it's basically telling you to FOIL this again. This is the main goal. So it will be x times x plus x minus 5 3 times negative 5. Yeah, so yeah, you get that. So, and then when you do this, it'll become x squared plus, sorry, again, it'll be minus 5x plus 3x and minus 15, which would then equal x squared minus 2x minus 15. So this is your final answer. Sorry about that. There. It's the final answer. Okay, so next I'm gonna be going to lesson 5.3. Okay, so I'm going to be doing 4 question 4A, and the question is 14x squared y, sorry about that, plus 16x y cubed. And then, so the question asks to factor fully if possible, and I do it the easy way. So just by looking at it, I know that 14 and 16 are a common factor of 2. So I'll write down 2. And then I look at the x and y, and I see that the lowest is a y here, and the x, so I'll put x and then y, and I put the bracket, and I divide this by, I divide all of that by this. So it'll be 7x, the y's cancel each other out, plus 8y squared. And that's because the y here would subtract the y there. So this is the final answer. Yeah. Alright. Now I'm going to be doing 5A. And the question says factor if possible. And the question is 3x bracket x minus plus 8 plus 5 bracket x plus 8. And so just by looking at that, I know that these two brackets are the same, so I can put it together. So it'll be x plus 8 the other bracket would be 3x plus 5. Well, that's because 3x here and plus 5 here would make up this bracket, and I should use it and call it that. that. So yeah, that's how you do it. So now we're on lesson 4.5.4. I know I spelled wrong, but so let's listen question 4a. And the question says factor if possible, and the question is m squared minus 7m plus 10. So I'm pretty sure you guys know how to do this. You gotta find the factor of this, which is 1 plus that, and the factors of these are 1 and 10. And 2 and 5. So just by looking at it, I know that 1 would be multiplied by this, 2, and that would be multiplied by the 5, which would give 2 plus 5 would be 7. But we need a negative here, so we would put negative here, which means that it will be m minus 5 and m minus 2. I put the 5 here because it has to be opposite, so it doesn't really matter because these are both 1s, but yeah, in this case, this is the final answer. Okay, so I'm going to be doing 5a from lesson 5.4, and the question says factor if possible again. The question is a squared minus 3a minus 10. So again, you find factors 1, 1, 1, 10, 2, 5, and by looking at it, I know that 1 will be multiplied by that, and 1 will be multiplied by that. So, but the thing is, this has to be a negative. So that means there will be 2 minus 5 plus would equal minus 3, which is that. So my final would be a minus 5 and bracket a plus 2. So this would be my final answer for that question.